Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Tech Hub. In this video, we are going to show you how to create new account in GoDaddy, and how to buy domain from it. Before going to the video, a quick introduction about the GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the world's largest and trusted domain registrar that empowers people like you with creative ideas to succeed online. Buying a domain name is easy, with our domain search tool and domain name generator tools. You can find the perfect website address for your business. Now we can move to the session. Open the GoDaddy website using the URL, godaddy.com. The GoDaddy website look like this. We can find the Create Account link from top right corner, and click the Create an Account link. There are few options to create new account. You can choose as your preference. All the steps are same. I'm here selecting Continue with email. Enter your email address and password, then click Create Account. And click Send Verification Code to receive OTP. Then check the mailbox and verify with the OTP and click Continue to Account. We are getting to the GoDaddy homepage. These are the account settings options. This is the My Profile page. Here we can add your personal details like name, address, organization, etc. And click My Product to check your products in the GoDaddy. Currently we don't have any product. We need to purchase a domain, so click the Start Shopping to search and buy domain. Here we can search for the domain. Here I'm searching Tech Focus. You can search the name as your requirement. These are the available domains and their rate. You can choose on your requirements. Here I am choosing for a demo purpose. Once you find the required domain name, you can add it to the cart. Once you find the required domain name, you can add it to the cart. Then click to the Continue to Cart to initiate the payment. There are some extra features with the product. If you required it, you can buy it. Here I'm deselecting it and Continue to Cart. This is the cart page to complete the purchase. Here we can select number of years to hold the ownership of the domain. Here I'm selecting 1 year and moving to the payment section by clicking I'm ready to pay. Here is the checkout page. Here you need to add the required details like name, address and other fields and click Save. Then select the payment method and enter the payment details and click Review Order. Verify the details and click Complete Purchase. Then it will redirect to the banking page for the payment. Then it will come up here. Now we can find our product in our dashboard.